2025. The world is different. Supply chains are fragmenting, getting only deeper. The climate and energy risks are rising, getting only sharper. The race for AI leadership and sovereignty is accelerating, getting only faster. What is Korea's choice and where must we focus? Let me introduce Korea's game-changing initiative, M.AX. M.AX is manufacturing AI transformation. It's about scaling advanced manufacturing with AI. M.AX has set a bold ambition, a 30% increase in manufacturing productivity over the next 5-year period, and a creation of over $72 billion in value added over the same period. That is why we bring in more than 1,000 participants, flagship manufacturers in advanced technology sectors, top-tier universities and leading research institutes, and top-notch AI experts. M.AX runs on 5 non-negotiables: data, robot, digital backbone, AI chips, talent. We will keep investing in backbone infrastructure. The national networks, national electricity grid, GPU, national AI compute, and on-device AI chips that power M.AX. M.AX brings factory floors to trading floors. Real-time shop floor data powers digital trade. It verifies origin, traces carbon, and secures preferential tariffs in real time. Shifting gears to resilience. Think of M.AX as giving every factory a brain and hands robots, sensors, equipment, and connecting factory brains and the hands together. It operates across factories and sites in 12 national advanced industrial complexes, including a mega semiconductor cluster, and 10 specialized parts and equipment supplier zones, with 10 more on the way next year. M.AX's impact on carbon neutrality. M.AX with CFE turns decarbonization into an energy security strategy. In a nutshell, with M.AX, Korea reconnects the dots and rewires its supply chains. Korea is ready to hit the ground running. M.AX and the whole new next-generation manufacturing value chains are at your fingertips. Let's build M.AX together.